Earlier this year, we were inspected by our inspectorate, HMICFRS, as part of an inspection programme for all UK fire and rescue services. We've just received the report which deals with the outcomes of that inspection. As a service, we went into the inspection with an open and positive mindset and welcomed the process. So we've also welcomed the publication of this report. The report recognises where we are as a service and the areas we need to continue to focus on and prioritise. It is a helpful addition to the work that we're already doing in improving and transforming our service.
The inspection recognised that we were good at responding to emergencies, not only in Essex, but also our contribution to national incidents. We know that's vitally important to the public, that they get the reassurance that when there's an incident, we will respond quickly and effectively. And of course, it's important to us too.
The report also recognises that we're good at making our service affordable both now and in the future, at managing performance and at developing our future leaders. It's good to know that despite financial pressures, our budget planning and management has been recognised as good and that we are providing value for money. There were some really good messages about the work that we're doing with our partners to make our communities safer. Our work with the Safer Essex Roads Partnership has seen a reduction in the number of people killed or seriously injured on our roads. And we work with Essex Police, delivering safety messages to our school-aged children right across Essex.
As well as the positives, the report also identified areas where we need to improve, specifically around culture and fire safety. This is quite right, because we know these are areas where we need to improve in. In terms of technical fire safety, our staff are working extremely hard to respond to the number of building consultations that a growing population like Essex has, together with the outcomes of the phase 1 of the Grenfell inquiry. And we know we need to further resource this department to ensure that it can continue to protect the people of Essex. And that's exactly what we've done. We've already recruited another 9 technical fire safety officers, and more will follow to ensure that we build that capacity. And we're also investing in technology to ensure that we can better protect and respond to building consultations and manage our building inspection regime. We will also continue to work with owners of high-rise premises and student accommodation to ensure that those people are properly protected through Essex.
As I said earlier, because we know we were open and honest throughout the inspection process, there are no surprises for us in this report. Culturally, we know that there is still more to be done, but we also know that we are on the right track. The inspectorate have found that overall the culture of the service is changing and improving, that the work that we are doing is making a real difference. And they acknowledge that the scale of the work that needs to be completed is significant and will take time. We're already offering training and awareness sessions to all of our stations, watches and teams in challenging bullying and inappropriate behaviour, as well as providing specific training for managers. The inspectorate were clear that we were doing all that we could be doing and all that we should be doing, and that we need to keep our focus on this as a priority area for us.
We know it's a human reaction to focus sometimes on the negative, and whilst we're not diminishing the areas that we know we need to improve, and we will improve, we'd also ask people who are reading the report to also look at the good work that our staff are doing each and every day to ensure they keep the communities of Essex safe.
This report offers reassurance that our focus for improvement is in the right areas. We're also confident that as a service, we can deliver the improvements together. We of course want to thank all our staff for all their hard work and commitment to keeping our communities in Essex safe. I am so proud to be Chief Fire Officer of this service. Both Rick and I are looking forward to continuing to serve our communities and working with colleagues to achieve our ambition of being an excellent service.